Jess.
My name is Martin.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
My name is George.
And what I like about Seach's class is the sense of community that he creates among the students and how we could just relax and enjoy our love of hip-hop dance.
What I like about the class is that you learn how to dance, and that's exactly why I came to this class, to learn how to dance. And Seach is excellent at breaking down complex moves into very simple, manageable steps. And so I'm not a dancer, I'm not trained as a dancer, I never really danced before this class, especially hip hop. But coming to this class, I mean, from day one, he was able to break down every step into something that I could relate to and something that I could execute at the end of that first class. And since taking that first class, I've only gotten better and better.
I like the way Seach teaches because he understands that everybody learns at a different pace and he kind of caters to that. So it makes the class that much more enjoyable because you don't feel extra pressure.
You know, everything about this class is just really awesome. Seach is a great teacher. I love the way he breaks down the moves so that each move seems so simple, and then he gives you enough time to practice and put it all together. And it's actually quite amazing. You find yourself doing these complex moves and you can't believe that you can actually do them, you know. Yeah, so I really like this class. It's also a really good group of people from all skill ranges, right? So people who, like me, are really bad at dancing to people who are really good, and somehow we all mesh together and we do these group moves and it just looks great. So personally, the thing I like most about it is my comfort level. It's made me freer, so I feel more comfortable dancing in public. I used to be very sort of self-conscious whenever I danced in public, but now I just feel comfortable because I get practice here and it's just like second nature to me now. So go Seach.